Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to fix Valorant a critical error has occurred and the process must be terminated error. I will show you easiest and fastest way to fix this error. But before we start this guide, please consider subscribing to this YouTube channel. Now let's go straight to the fix. Most of the cases this error occurs due to your antivirus program. Basically it stops VGC service. So fix one is disable antivirus program. There could be two cases. Either you are using third-party antivirus which you have installed, or you may be using Windows default antivirus, Windows Defender. To disable most of the third-party antivirus program, go to System Tray and click on up arrow. Locate your antivirus program icon. As you can see, I am using Windows Defender. You will find your antivirus program icon here. Right click on icon and select disable, stop, shut down or something similar. Your antivirus will be disabled after that. To disable Windows Defender, type gpedit in the search box and open it. As you can see that group policy editor has been opened. You need to click on administrative templates. Now click on Windows Components. Scroll down to Windows Defender Antivirus. Here you need to find Turn off Windows Defender Antivirus. Double click on it. As you can see that there is an option of disabled. You just need to click disabled and apply it and click on OK. Now restart your Windows. Your Windows Defender will be disabled. Now move to Fix 2. Set VGC service to automatic. Type services in the search box. Right click on it and select Run as Administrator. As you can see that services window has been opened. Now we need to find VGC. Here you can see VGC. You just need to double click on VGC. Here you need to make sure that startup type is set to automatic. If it is manual, then you need to stop it. Now change the starter type to automatic and start the service. Now apply it and click on OK. Now move to Fix 3. Compatibility mode settings. Type this folder location in the search box and open it. Now you need to scroll down to Valorant Win64 file and right click on it. Click on Properties. Now click on Compatibility tab. Now you need to click on Run this program in compatibility mode for and select Windows 8. Under Settings, you need to click on Run this program as an administrator and apply the changes and click on OK. Now check if your issue has been fixed. If not, then move to Fix 4. Clear crash report and log files. First of all, click on up arrow on the taskbar. Right click on Vanguard and exit Vanguard. You need to click on Yes. Now type this command in the search bar. Here you can see few folders. You need to open logs. Delete all the files of this folder. Now go back to saved folder. Now open config folder. Now open Crash Report Client. You need to delete all the files of this folder. Now restart your PC once and check your problem has been resolved or not. If you are still facing the problem, now fix 5 is run game as administrator. To do this, right click on game icon and select properties. Now click on compatibility tab. Now check run this program as administrator. Now apply it and click OK. Now your error should be resolved. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions and suggestions, drop them below and share this useful video with your friends. Like the video and subscribe to our channel. Your likes and comments motivate us to create such videos. Press the bell button to receive notification for new videos on Windows tips and tricks, troubleshooting and productivity hacks. Thank you.